Introducing the MSolutions HDBaseT tester. Certify cable infrastructure with confidence. Upgrade your cable certification process with the MSolutions HDBaseT tester. This cutting-edge tool ensures that your cable infrastructure is fully capable of carrying HDBaseT, guaranteeing seamless transmission of high-definition audio, video, and control signals. Say goodbye to guesswork and uncertainty. With the MSolutions HDBaseT tester, you can confidently certify your cable installations. By conducting in-depth tests and measurements, this tool verifies whether your cables meet the rigorous standards set for HDBaseT transmission. Identify potential issues such as cable length limitations, signal degradation, or improper termination, ensuring a robust and reliable HDBaseT installation. But that's not all. The MSolutions HDBaseT tester goes beyond certification. It provides detailed reports showcasing the performance of your cable infrastructure. With solid evidence of compliance, you can confidently present your installations to clients, stakeholders, or industry regulators. Rest assured that your installations meet the demanding requirements of HDBaseT technology, eliminating costly rework and delivering high-quality results. Experience efficiency, reliability, and professionalism like never before. The MSolutions HDBaseT tester is a complete solution, offering advanced troubleshooting tools, signal analysis capabilities, and comprehensive compatibility testing with HDBaseT devices. Upgrade your cable certification process and ensure that your cable infrastructure is up to par, ready to handle the demands of modern audio-visual technology. Trust in the MSolutions HDBaseT tester for seamless, certified installations that exceed expectations. For further information, contact us with these details or go to our website.